DJI Pocket 4 and DJI Avatar 3 represent the next leap forward in portable imaging and aerial cinematography, promising to revolutionize content creation for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Drawing on leaked specifications and industry rumors, these upcoming devices blend innovative design with cutting-edge technology to deliver exceptional performance in challenging environments. The anticipated DJI Pocket 4 is set to build on the success of its predecessor by introducing several significant upgrades. The new model is expected to feature a slightly larger and more robust frame, weighing approximately 190 grams. One of its most striking enhancements is a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, which boasts a resolution of 480 by 800 pixels and a brightness level of 800 nits. This improvement will ensure clear visibility even in bright outdoor conditions, facilitating accurate framing and intuitive menu navigation. Additionally, redesigned button placement and an ergonomic grip are intended to enhance comfort during extended shooting sessions. At the heart of the Pocket 4 lies a powerful 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens. This combination is engineered to produce sharper images, deliver improved low-light performance, and offer a broader ISO range, from 50 to 6400 for video and up to 16,000 for still photography. Advanced imaging features including 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M recording, and HDR capabilities will enable greater flexibility during post-production color grading. The device is also rumored to incorporate an upgraded autofocus system, potentially combining phase detection with eye tracking to minimize focus hunting, especially when capturing fast-moving subjects. A more capable processor is expected to handle higher data rates, facilitating real-time HDR previews and enhanced computational photography. Video enthusiasts will appreciate the capability to record 4K footage at 240 frames per second, effectively doubling the slow-motion performance of previous models. The improved gimbal stabilization system, which integrates mechanical balance with sophisticated electronic algorithms, promises ultra-smooth video capture even in dynamic motion scenarios. Moreover, enhancements in battery management are projected to support longer recording times. The new model is said to feature rapid charging via DJI's PD charger, achieving a full charge in roughly 25 minutes. A noteworthy improvement over the 32-minute charge time of the Pocket 3. Although an official announcement is pending, industry speculation points to a launch in late 2026 or early 2027, with pricing expected to start around $699 for the standard version and $799 for a creator combo package. Building on the achievements of the Avatar 2, this next-generation drone is rumored to sport a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor that promises enhanced image clarity, richer color depth, and low-light performance. Key factors for producing cinematic quality footage. A revolutionary 360-degree obstacle detection system is said to provide comprehensive situational awareness, reducing the risk of collisions in complex environments such as urban areas or dense forests. Furthermore, an upgraded transmission system may deliver higher resolution and extended range to both freestyle pilots and professional filmmakers. DJI's forthcoming releases are poised to empower creators to explore new horizons and push the limits of visual expression.